What's up, family? How y'all doing? TK Profit from Profit Takers. We are back. We want to do another charting session. We do these at the top of the week. We're looking at key levels with TK. We want to see which levels in the market are creating support, resistance. We want to figure out what's going on with the news and find our trade setup. So let's go ahead and go right to trading view. So last week, we actually took this sell on pound USD and Euro USD. So for the first level, as far as our key levels, this is what we're looking at right here on these two. We want to see if price is going to continue this downtrend or if we're going to see break above this level right here to move towards this area. So right now, let's go to a smaller time frame to see what's happening right here in this area. So on this 15-minute, we have consolidation right here with current price. So let's just track price. What is this? Okay. I know that we got that price track right here. Let's go ahead and set an alert below and above. So when you're looking at price trading between two structural levels, like you got a structural level of resistance, a structural level of support, to take out the guesswork, let's just wait until price drops beneath that support level to head to that major level, or breaks above right here to head to that major level. So in keeping that concept in mind, you can be patient with your setups. Give me 1 second. Let me send a message out to the people in Discord. Okay, now let's head over to pound USD. Now, same thing, same concept. Let's track price. Use our arrows to let us know that we have money above it, money beneath. Same thing. Alert right above, and we put an alert below. Now we're already in sales on this particular trade setup. So what we want to do is make sure that if price goes in the opposite direction, we close that position to mitigate our risk. And if we get a break of those lows, what we can do is actually look for another entry on the same trade. Okay. So I was peeking at Ripple to see if it was going to retest the highs, but let me not get distracted. Let's go. We'll look at that later. We also took a look at gold. Jazz, what's up? What's up, Jazz? Huh? Hold on one second. Say it again.
Hey, Ashley, I turned it on. Come here, I turned it on. Oh,
Oh, what's up, Ashley? How you feeling? You doing all right?
he said, "What's up, Ashley? How you feeling? You doing all right?" Uh-huh.
Okay, so we already hit TP1 on this trade setup. We called this at the end of last week from these highs right here. Price dropped, hit TP1, and actually retested these lows and pulled back. Now, what we want to see is how price responds right here at these highs. If we continue to get a rejection with price hitting this 200-day EMA, we will see at the very least a retest. Oh, that's too. What y'all got going on? That's too high right now. Let's see. Right here, the retest of the bottom of that double bottom, because that's what that is on a 3-hour time frame. If you look, that is a huge double bottom right there. All right, so we should see a rejection, most likely at this 200-day EMA. When price gets to the low to retest this double bottom, we want to see how price responds. If we get a break of that area, there is a lot of liquidity underneath these lows, so we could see our next couple of targets being hit. Okay, our TP2 and maybe even our last target. So let's see how everything plays out by the end of this night. By the end of the night. Now, another possibility, we do have this double top right here, right above the 382 level on the fib. There is a chance that we can see a push slightly above our 200-day EMA to capture the liquidity here, hit that zone, and then go on that move. So what I'm going to do is just set an alert right here at the 382 to keep me informed. Okay. So we looked at Euro USD, Pound USD, and gold. What other setup did we have last week? Okay. S&P 500. We sold
streaming on other platforms right now?
Yes. You had a question about something?
No, I just want to be mindful of what I say.
Oops. All right, cool. Same thing here. It's the same thing that we had on Pound USD and Euro USD. We got right here with price traveling within range right now, and we got a level below and above that could be hit. If we get back up to this area on S&P 500 and price does not break out moving to the upside, we could see that short-term pullback that we were looking for. And our entry from last week is actually right above that area right here, right in Newick. Stop loss is right here above the high.
Still in range right now, isn't it?
Yes, it is still in range right now. This is a trade setup that we entered last week right here when price broke. So right now what we want to do is see what happens in range. If we're going to get a breakout to this level, then a continuation, or is it just going to fall? Another possibility is it can hit this low and continue to make higher highs. So at this point, we just want to pay attention to price, monitor it, and after we see what it wants to do, then we can make our choices, our decisions after that. Let's see.
You hear some noise in the background? Talking
Oh,
in the background?
over you, by you?
Oh, me.
No. Uh. Oh, we also got a double top right there.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can see we can see some playing around right there in that area. So we'll turn this into a key level. So it is range, but these are the key levels right now. Key levels with TK. What else did we take? We took Euro CAD, a sale. That must have been a limit order. No, that's a buy. Oh, wow, okay. So we took, oh, look at that, man. We almost hit all 3 TPs. Let's go.
Win! Win, 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 win! Yeah!
Okay, so we almost hit all TPs on this Euro CAD buy. Now it's definitely setting up for a sale. That's a double top right there at the high. Boom. And then it just gave a continuation pattern right here on the 30-minute. Now, let's see. Let me look at a smaller time frame. Let's see where we could go. Okay, so there's a possibility that we could pull back to our first TP. This is where we had structure. Let's see. So right here, where that range was, this would have been those structural highs before they were broken by this move to the upside. That break was never retested, so there's a great chance we could see this before we actually hit our TP3. So let me go ahead and make sure. Let's, boom, profit. Okay. Now let's set an alert. We also took a US 30 sale and a USD JPY. I said, man, we went in Friday. Let's see. Where's US 30? Yeah. Oh, wow. So we actually hit all targets on US 30. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. So we got a 1 to 11 US 30 sale. Let me record this right now, and I'm about to post this on my page. Let me show y'all not just my chart, but I'm gonna post my entry from TradingView. Show you that we caught all of these pips, and it can continue moving down. So that's another thing. We don't just get online and give opinions. These are actual trade setups that we take. Man, this thing could continue moving to the downside. Let me take this last position, and instead of closing it right here, I'll just move my stop loss deeper in profit. Okay. Okay. So here we go with US 30. We got a stop loss in profit. We caught this entire move to the downside. This is what it looks like on the chart. That gave us a 1 to 11 move on US 30. Let's go. That is beautiful. All right, yeah, we had to share that. Now back to you guys. Let's go to set these alerts. We need to see what happens. If it breaks above this high, we're looking to get out. I want it to continue to move in our favor, of course, because we do have multiple tests right here at these highs. And another thing, price broke beneath all of our EMAs, okay? Even the 200-day EMA. And right now they're still sitting on top of price, weighing it down. So we should wait until we see a different presentation before exiting this trade setup. So we got those alerts set right here. So this, for right now, will be a key level. This was already played. That was our added entry. Okay. Let me see what time frame is this. 1 hour? Let me go to the 1 hour over here. So let me put that back, because that actually wasn't hit. Yeah, so let me put that back. It came close, but it turned around. So we could definitely still see a pull back to this area. And it could also reject, making this downtrend valid. But for right now, these are the key levels. Go back out. So we got those alerts set. Now let's just wait and see. USD JPY. Okay, so the entry on your, hold on, 1 hour. Got it. The entry on Euro, I'm sorry, why do I keep saying that? USD JPY is right here. Stop loss is above this high. 382. Okay. So there's a low right here on the 3 hour and the 4 hour that has not been retested yet. So we want to watch this area because we could get a pullback or a bounce right here. Now, with everything that happened back here in the past, which is really important, the biggest part of the market is being able to analyze the past. The past patterns will show you the trajectory of the future. Same thing in life. If you're able to spot the pattern, you can almost predict what's going to happen. Okay, so this area was already played, and what that did was create liquidity or money underneath. So let's play the possibility of this level being broken by just holding this trade. Because another thing that looks very similar to US 30, so all of our EMAs are still showing bear signs. So let's find some safe places to do the same thing and set our alerts. Yeah, we'll do it right here. Put an alert above here and an alert right here. And that's all of the trade setups that we took. So far, doing pretty great. Now, as far as the news, only news we got Monday is AED news. And that's around this time. Outside of that, we got news on Wednesday, USD news. So that's pretty much what I'm seeing here. This 200-day EMA pushing these things down to the lows, and Monday through Tuesday, you pretty much get some sporadic movements just to create consolidation. From there, that'll give time for that 200-day EMA to catch up, and we can start looking for areas to place our buys. So we got a quiet start for the week, so we'll go ahead and just wrap everything up. Now, we trade these pairs live in our Discord, so if you guys have not joined the Discord yet, make sure that you click that link depending on what platform you're on. You should see the link on YouTube if you're there. Facebook, it's in my profile. That way you'll be able to trade with us for free. I like to hop on and show you guys not only my trade setups, but I show you how to execute them, okay? And I trade with you for 30 minutes. The schedule for the trades are also set up in Discord. And for the people that want to begin trading and you don't know where to begin, you can head to our website. I'm going to get you started for free. I'm going to teach you how to set up your accounts, your live account, your demo account. I'll teach you how to place your trades. I'm going to teach you how to monitor your trade setups and give you an actual trading plan. That way, when you hop on with me, you'll know exactly what you're doing and you can start on that demo to eliminate the risk, okay? Just come have fun, learn in the process. So the website is ProfitTakersEU.com. Hit that free courses tab. I actually need to change this. We did a little update. It doesn't look like this anymore, but you'll be able to navigate it once you get there. Hit that free courses tab. Get that, what is it? Trading Essential Bundle, and we're going to walk you through everything. You also get the free trial to our Mindset Series, Structure Breaking. We're going to show you the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. And we have that 6-week journal. This is going, oh, that's not it. Here we go. The 6-week journal helps you become more intentional with your words. When trading, one thing that I've noticed, when people lose, they say some really poor things about yourself. So we're going to show you how to use your words to help you on your path. Then we have a few books available on Amazon. 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results. It covers all of the concepts that I give you guys in our charting sessions and in our live sessions. We also have a few log books. They're very important. You have to log your trade setups so you can find your patterns. Once you identify your patterns, you'll be able to correct them. You also log your emotional state in each trade that you execute, because that's the biggest part. If you learn how to control your emotions and also figure out the things that trigger you while trading, you'll be able to create balance and a calm mind so you can execute at a higher rate and also be more efficient. We also have our merch, so you guys support the vision, support the dream, and remember, you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?